This will be an interesting video. I will be showing you 10 hidden features that you don't know the Galaxy Note 9 can do. And if you got a Note 8, the video on the top corner will be more helpful for you. Let's get right to the point. The first feature is very helpful if you have some filthy hands, and don't go far away with your thoughts. You're maybe just eating. If your screen is off while on the table, you can just hover your hands over the Note 9 to wake it up and see your notifications. There is no need to touch the display. It is the proximity sensor that helps with that. To activate this feature, go into the settings, accessibility, dexterity and interaction, then activate easy screen turn on. Did you know that you can use the Note 9 in sort of a dark mode, or more correctly negative mode, which is the second feature. Your notification panel, setting menu and almost any white color will turn black for an easier reading, especially at night. But this is not handy when browsing photos or Instagram, since they will be seen in negative colors. To activate it, go to the settings, accessibility, vision, then scroll down to negative colors. I personally use this mode when reading a document or a PDF at night to reduce the light going into my eyes, but I'm still waiting for the real upcoming dark mode. The third one is about the recent app menu. You already know you can navigate your recently used apps by tapping on the recent app button on the navigation bar. This will show the app in this view. But if you go and tap the three dots on the upper corner, then choose list view, the apps will be shown in this much more cleaner look, in a way that it will be more easier for you to access the apps you want without having to scroll back. The fourth one will work if you have a Samsung Smart TV, and maybe another Smart TV will work too. I did not try that. If you're watching a TV show and maybe you want to go lay down in your bedroom or even take a big douche, but still want to watch your show, you can mirror your TV on the phone and continue to watch it on the Note 9 screen, just like you're seeing now. For this to work, you need the Samsung SmartThings app installed, and to be connected on the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. You should add your TV to the app, and once done, you can select your TV, place the three dots from the top, then select View TV on phone. Your show will continue playing on your phone and the TV at the same time. Number 5 is about creating GIFs. Making them is a fun thing to do, especially to create and share funny moments. Actually, Samsung made it easier to do it using the camera. If you open the camera app, go to its setting, scroll down to hold the camera button option. By default, you will find the Take Burst Shot option. Tap there and choose the Create GIF option. Once done, while using the camera to shoot a motion, just hold the shutter button while pointing to your scene to record a GIF and stop whenever you want to stop recording. Then you can directly share it from the gallery. The sixth one is about battery on your Bluetooth headset. If you use wireless headphones to listen to your music, it can be frustrating to hear that battery low sound without a prior notification. Now with the Note 9, you can see the exact battery percentage on any connected Bluetooth headset, without using a third-party service. You just go to the settings, connections, Bluetooth, then under your connected headset name, you can find the battery percentage remained. This way you will never worry about charge. And the seventh feature is about taking screenshots. There are tons of ways to make a screenshot on the Note 9, from swiping your palm on the display to holding the power and volume buttons. But the easiest one to do is from the edge screen. If you swipe on the edge screen, then go to the settings. There are a bunch of edge options to choose from. The one we're looking for here is Task Edge. Select that one to add it to the edge menu. Now, if you want to take an easier screenshot, swipe on the edge screen to go to the task section, then tap the Take Screenshot icon. And there you go. No need to press and hold extra buttons. Number 8 will come very handy if you use Samsung Pay. In that case, I think you already know that swiping from the bottom up on the display will open Samsung Pay. But with the Note 9, you can actually swipe up on the fingerprint scanner to open it, only when you're on the home screen, just like this. To activate this option, go into the settings, advanced features, finger sensor gesture, then activate the Open Samsung Pay. And number 9 is about unlocking the phone faster using iris, face or intelligent scan. By default, to unlock using these biometrics, you need to turn on the screen, then swipe on it in order to get access to the authentication. A faster way to do it is to skip that swiping part, which means that only turning on the display will activate the phone unlocking, just like this. To activate this, go to the settings, biometrics and security, then choose your actual unlocking methods, like intelligent scan in my case, then activate the screen on intelligent scan. And last but not least is about managing your data plan and automatically avoid to get high bills of mobile data connections that you might use outside your plan. Let's say you have a plan of 20 gigs per month and that you want to make sure not to exceed that amount. First, you need to activate mobile data, then head to the settings, connections, data usage, then tap on billing cycle and data warning. There you can set a date of your monthly billing, so the phone will start counting data consumption starting from that date. After that, you can also set a data limit, so 4G connectivity will be automatically turned off when the limit is reached for that month. You can also add a warning when you reach a limit you define here, in order to remember to slow down when you're near your limits. Well, this way you will be sure to avoid that heavy bill. So this was the video, guys. Hope it was helpful. Leave a thumbs up if it did and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and catch you guys in the next one.